right-click this PC. Select Properties and select Device Manager. You need to install video adapter, sounds and other peripherals. The status of device unknown or question mark. Example, how to install video adapter. The video adapter is already installed. Same procedure to other peripherals. If the peripherals not installed, you need select click the below the Windows Update. Click install to update all peripherals unknown. After installation, you need to reset the computer. After the reset, the computer Windows Update is done. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like and share. Thank you. Thank you for watching.